In this video, I will configure the bit rates, frame rates and compression method and will understand the benefits of them for security camera. As you can see, we have two sections, mainstream and substream. In the mainstream, we are recording videos with high quality, but in the substream, we are recording videos with low quality. The mainstream videos can be accessed via TV, HDMI cable or VGA cable, but the substream footage can be accessed via internet on our laptop or mobile phone. This camera is recording for the general, but we can also specify that it should record for the motion detection or alarm section. In below that section, you can see the compression method. This compression will decrease the size of video but not damaging the video quality. Latest compression method is used H.265 version. Below that resolution, it can identify the picture quality or it's also the picture height or weight. You can see that this camera is 5 megapixel and supporting some around 2592 by 1944. So we can decrease the resolution of this camera. It means that we are decreasing from 5 megapixel to 4 megapixel or 3 or 2 megapixel, but maximize up to 5 megapixel picture. Below that we have frame rate or frame rate per second. Frame rate is that we are taking pictures per second. Like currently we define that 20 pictures per second. The higher the frame rate, the good video quality we have. Decreasing the frame will decrease the size of video, but it will also decreasing the quality of the video. Standard frame rate is recommended 30 frame rate per second, but if we are using some around 20-25, it will be good, but less than 15 frame rate, it will totally damage the video quality. Now we came to the bit rate. This is defined the bandwidth that the camera will send its footage to the NVR. Normally, if we can decrease this bit rate, so it will affect the picture pixel. But if we increase the bit rate, it will not affect the picture quality. So we have to identify the proper bit rate for each camera. At the top, you can see that we have smart codec. When we are disabling the smart codec, so here we have the CBR, and when we are activating the smart codec, so it will come the VBR. The CBR stands for constant bit rate and the VBR stands for variable bitrate. This bitrate type will help us if we select the CBR or constant bitrate. So we have identifying that exact bandwidth that here we have selected like 20 by 48. So this bitrate will be used for this camera and it will not increase or decrease. But sometimes we require that the camera need more bitrate. Sometimes it needs less bitrate. For that condition, we are selecting the VBR. And VBR is variable and it's increase and decrease bandwidth usage when it's required. And the quality is that we have identifying the higher number, the best quality. If we select higher number, so we will have good quality of picture.
Thank you so much for watching this video.